Hello from the first day of GEO Business here in London. It's becoming quite busy here at the Senceive booth G120, where you can learn a lot about our wireless structural health monitoring solutions with a focus on our responsive critical asset protection solution InfraGuard. Recently we have deployed these systems all over the UK, but also in many locations internationally. Looking forward to tell you more about how you can use intelligent monitoring to protect your critical assets.
It's great to be back here at Geobusiness this year. It's been about 6 years since I first came here in 2019, and it's great to see how much it's grown as an event because it was quite small then. I've just come back from an event in Bangkok in India, and it's absolutely amazing the interest that we're now getting for our wireless technology products in these countries.